Now the practical application of the TTT diagrams, you can see here, designing heat treatment process, okay, predicting the microstructures and optimizing the mechanical properties. Okay, so TT diagrams helps in determining the appropriate cooling rates and temperature to achieve a desired microstructure and properties. So it is basically what it helps. It helps determining the appropriate cooling rate so that it must have a particular temperature to achieve the desired macrostructures and properties. What properties? Basically, here we are interested in mechanical properties. Though the physical and chemical properties will change, that we are not interested in. The more we are interested in mechanical properties. Though some physical properties will also getting changed, but here we are only interested in mechanical properties. For example, to achieve the fully multi-sided structures, the cooling rate must be faster and than the critical cooling rate. So what we do? We do the quenching process. For example, here we could have a quenching. Predicting the microstructures by analyzing the cooling path on the TT diagram, engineers can predict the resulting microstructures and properties of steel. So, with the help of the TT diagram, we can predict what kind of the microstructures that we are getting with this, heat treatment. So we can have idea, and with the help of the microstructure knowledge, we can conclude that what the kind of the properties that we would be having with this steel. And why we are just doing these all, just to have the application part. So if you are well known about the properties and their behavior, okay, at a different temperatures, so that we can use accordingly at a different application parts. Okay, so optimizing the mechanical properties, TT diagrams are used to optimize heat treatment process for specific applications, such as improving the hardness, strength, and toughness. That was very obvious, because since we have started the topic heat treatment, we have already seen these, the properties for which we are having a different process. Like if we need to increase hard strength, then we must be going with the annealing. Okay, if we are interested in hardness, then we must have gone with quenching, means the rapid cooling.